In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Odoo website. As you embark on this journey, expect to discover just how intuitive and user-friendly the process of website customization can be with Odoo. To kick things off, you'll want to log into your Odoo account and navigate to the website app. This app is your gateway to unlocking a whole plethora of creative editing possibilities. Once you've successfully opened the website app, keep an eye out for the Edit button, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will transport you into the world of the website builder. Now, what's special about Odoo's website builder is its support for drag-and-drop editing, making it incredibly straightforward even for beginners. As you enter this mode, you'll find you can click on any on-page element, whether it's text, an image, or a button. This action will prompt an inline toolbar to appear, offering you various options to update and customize your content in real time. Want to change the text to better reflect your message? Just click, edit, and see the magic unfold instantly on the screen. If tweaking images is more your thing, the same ease applies. Select the image and enjoy seamless editing options right at your fingertips. But the real fun lies in expanding the functionality of your pages. With a simple drag and drop, you can introduce new building blocks into your layout. These include features like banners to catch your visitors' eyes, or any other components that align with the vision for your website. Experimenting with these elements can dramatically transform the look and feel of your site, and the process is as easy as dragging the desired block from the side panel right onto your page. As you work through your edits, don't lose sight of the importance of saving your progress. Once you're satisfied with the changes, look towards the top of the screen where you'll find the Save or Publish button. Clicking on either of these will ensure that your hard work is preserved and, in the case of publishing, shared with the world. So be sure not to bypass this crucial step. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to editing your Odoo website. With these easy-to-follow steps, you can confidently customize your website, enhance its appearance, and make it reflect exactly what you have in mind. With practice, you'll likely find that this process becomes second nature. Happy editing, and may your creativity know no bounds as you explore all that Odoo has